I graduated with my master's during COVID. I had a certain period of time to find a job, couldn't find anything. And then my friend came back from Korea. Her husband actually told me that I should try sales because I have a personality for it. I was like, no, I don't want to do sales. But I was running out of time to find a job. And I didn't even look at the job description. I just started piling down my resumes on all of these job titles. And then I was hired. And then 9 months went by, like one day. What I love, well, first of all, what I love about being here is that it changed my complete perspective about sales. Because before I didn't want to do sales because I thought how people think of salespeople. They're naggy, pushy, arrogant, and I didn't want to do that. And this job and this business alone changed my whole perspective. And what I love about being here is that I get to help people. I get to put them in a safe vehicle, in a vehicle that has a story behind it, because love is what makes Subaru Subaru. Being rejected. Yeah, being rejected and not knowing when that perfect customer is gonna come, trying to prospect all the time. Sometimes you don't have enough motivation. Sometimes you just wanna wait around for a customer to come through. But then there's more parts of being creative in this job, and sometimes it's tough to like push yourself. Trust, to trust you, to trust the business, to trust the car. I think we really make people comfortable here. We are open about what we do and how we do it. We are very knowledgeable on our product knowledge, and we make sure that the person feels comfortable before even going on a test drive or before leaving the dealership. We make sure we answer all the questions, even if they don't buy a vehicle. We do our follow-up and try to do our best to not be pushy. The only reason we're doing it is to make sure that we are helping in our best ability. Because I care. I really care. I trust the customer, and I know deep in my heart that they will come back because of me, because of how I talk to them and how I make them feel and how I answer their question. A lot of times when a customer thanked me for calling back and following up, because they would compare it to other people that don't, because then they feel like they're not being cared for. I never thought that car sales will be a career that I would want to take and that would make me feel like home. And I really feel like home. And I love being here. I don't do this job because I have to do this job. I do this job because I want to do this job. If it's a pre-owned vehicle, make sure you check your Carfax. The history of the car is very important. Double check if it's certified or not, and what extra warranties or coverage can come with the car. And of course, make sure to do your research about pricing between the same makes and models, but between different dealers maybe, because that's important. And make sure that you feel comfortable in the car, not because of the price, but because of how the car actually makes you feel and how comfortable you feel driving it. Learning. They help me learn. They make me feel good about myself, and I'm good at my job. They add to my experience, because a lot of times I learn with the customer. If I can't find something out, I ask, and then we learn together. They're helping me see my mom and my dog soon. I'm trying to bring them here to visit. They're helping me grow as a person professionally, but also, as a human being, because you learn a lot working with people about your patience and about different approaches to people. You learn how to communicate better and understand and listen. So yeah, it helps. This job helps you grow as a person outside of the business.